This needs to stop. Please stop this. Hey, are you an introvert and you think that this is a weakness and so you want to become an extrovert? Then please watch the video till the end. A very short message but important one. Today, just 10-15 minutes ago, I was in my class and the class was of communicating skills. So we were given an assignment where you had to write down and tell about your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and challenges. And I really felt very bad when all of these guys in the classroom came up with their answers and started to tell the teachers about what their weaknesses are. Like literally more than 70% of the people, their weaknesses, they were telling I am an introvert and that's my weakness. Guys, please stop thinking that being an introvert is a weakness. Why should you listen to me? Because I have myself been a very introverted person throughout my life. I couldn't talk to anybody around me, but now I know that wasn't a weakness. You can only call something your weakness only if it limits or directly negatively impacts your goals. 3 years ago, I was sitting in my school classroom in 9th standard and I was thinking my life is finished. I have nothing to do because I am an introvert. I don't bring good marks in class. But that was not even the beginning basically. 3 years later, I am still nowhere, but I am somewhere better than 3 years ago. I have improved. I have a YouTube channel with over 8,000 subscribers in it. Being an introvert was only limiting me from talking to my friends in class and people around me, but that wasn't really a problem. I say that because they weren't the ideal person to talk with. Those guys at school and me, we were poles apart. While they always spoke about movies and web series, watching Friends and this and that, I was always talking about social media, making career as a YouTuber and these type of stuff because this is what interests me. This is what I'm passionate about. I request you, in fact I beg you, that please stop spreading this negative energy that being an introvert is a weakness. It is not. By repeating it to yourself and to others that being an introvert is a weakness, you are literally bringing everybody down, and that's morally not a right thing to do. Find out your goals, whatever they are, long-term or short-term, and only then you can know your weaknesses. If you want to be a theater actor, yes, being an introvert can be a problem for you, but you can get rid of that. Just go out and start speaking to just anybody. But please stop spreading the negative energy. I have myself been a victim of this, that's why I'm requesting you. Please stop it. When you're spreading these kind of nonsense, you are negatively impacting the person behind you, beside you, in front of you. That's it. Please stop thinking that if you have something and just because somebody else says that it's a problem, stop thinking it's a problem. Unless it impacts or limits your goals, stop thinking it's a problem. And if you have a problem, you can solve it. You can get rid of it. It won't happen in one day. Rome wasn't built in a day, but you will. You will be able to do it. I am just a 17-year-old kid and maybe you guys are much older than me, but this is something I think everyone needs to know.